Come watch the new train called 3-door, Pleasanton Future, Blue Line Free. San Francisco, Dublin, Pleasanton train came in platform number 1.
This is the last stop.
Ooh, yeah. Alright folks, I'm still on the new train called 3-door, Pleasanton Future, Blue Line Free. About to be departing late May station in less than 2 minutes. On number 1. Number 1. This is the San Diego, still on the new train called 3-door, Pleasanton Future, Blue Line Free, Dublin, Pleasanton. Departing platform number 1, number 1.
This is a blue line train to Dublin. The doors are closing. Please stand clear of the doors.
Alright, about approaching the Bay Train station, platform number 1. The last new train called 3-door, Pleasanton Future, Blue Line Free, Dublin, Pleasanton, last spot train. Off we go.
Now boarding out. Stay there. This is a blue line train to Dublin, Pleasanton. The doors are closing.
There you go.
Please stand clear of the doors.
There she goes.